guys. So I ordered something from Faithful to Nature. So I'm in the process of, switching back to my vegan lifestyle, and I thought I'd, order some treats and some lady stuff, some sanitary wear. So let's see what's inside the box. I don't have a box cutter, so I'm gonna have to do this the old school way. I'm gonna use a knife. I hope I didn't damage anything. The package says fragile. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. So this is protecting the package itself. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So in here there's, it's a little note. It says, "Hi Cheryl, thank you for choosing FTN," and a smiley face. Yeah. It's part of the receipt. So the first thing I'm seeing here is, this is a gift. I didn't order this. There's a chamomile and orange blossom toning freshener for normal and combination skin. It's by the Victoria Garden, and it's all natural. Nice. That's what it looks like. Second thing is, I'm pretty sure every lady craves chocolate during that time of the month. So there's some organic vegan milk roasted almond mulberry chocolates. I have some ultra extra organic pads. These are vegan friendly pads. I also ordered the panty liners, plastic free, perfume free, and chlorine free. This is what they look like. The brand is Notcha Care. Okay. Then back to treats. I ordered a box of Chocolate Mania. This is crunchy vanilla chocolate cookie with macadamia and pecan nut chunks. My camera cut off, but I was saying these are the next thing that I ordered. They're part of the Cravings brand. They're the Chocolate Mania vegan cookies. They're vanilla chocolate cookies with macadamia and pecan nut chunks. The next thing here is my Naked Salted Caramel Raw Fruit and Nut Bar. The Naked Bar. And then I also ordered some essential oil. I got the lemongrass one for my diffuser. Yeah, that's it. And then at the bottom it just has another protective layer. I hope you guys enjoyed my very, very quick unboxing of the Faithful to Nature, your online, it's called your online organic shop. Everything comes from Cape Town, and a lot of the brands that you find are international brands. So if you're looking for an online market with vegan friendly products of any kind that you can think of, they have it. They have food, they have home stuff, they have fashion items, they have homeopathic health stuff. So if you're looking for pain ease, migraine assistance, that kind of stuff, they have a whole section on that, so whatever you're looking for in terms of vegan lifestyle, plant-based, gluten-free, that is the place for you if you're in South Africa. And I made my order on, I think it was on Friday. Let me just check my receipt. Yeah, okay, I can't see the date on this. Oh yes, it was. I made this order on Thursday and I received it on Monday. So that's how quick their delivery is. So yeah. The next time that you hear from me about Faithful to Nature, I'll be giving you guys a review of the sanitary wear, because I've really seen some reviews, but I wanted to check it out for myself. The sanitary wear and how good their treats are for that time of the month, girl, as well as their oils. And yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm chuffed that I got a free gift on my first order, the toning freshener. Well, it's a toner basically, but yeah, I look forward to updating you guys.